Hello there, and thank you for taking a moment to watch this video. On this video, I want to talk to you about integrating PhoneBurner with Zoho. If you are a Zoho CRM user, and you've often asked yourself, man, I wish I could initiate a PhoneBurner dial session from the Zoho CRM, well, you're in luck. We have recently launched an extension that you can install into your Zoho CRM, allowing you to select contacts or leads and launch a PhoneBurner dial session right from within your Zoho CRM. Now, as you're making these calls, all of these activities are going to be logged back in your Zoho CRM and associated with those records. Let me show you what that's going to look like. We'll just open up one of these records and we'll go down to the notes section. You'll see that as you're making calls through PhoneBurner, the system's going to be automatically logging those activities as notes, and any custom notes that you type in during the dial session will be added as well. If you go down to the closed activities section, you'll see a list of any activity, any calls that you've done from PhoneBurner will be logged as completed activities on that record. Now, how do you get this extension installed into your account? It is super easy. You just go to the Marketplace tab. In the Marketplace, just do a quick search for PhoneBurner. You'll find our extension listed there. Go ahead and open up the extension, click on Install, and then just follow all of the prompts to install the application. Now, I've already installed it, so I'm not going to go through that again here. But I do want to point out, when you're logged into your PhoneBurner account, we do have some specific training to help you with this. You can find it through support, in the PhoneBurner University. Just go down to the third-party integration section. In third-party integrations, you'll see a new option here called Zoho. And that'll walk you through all of the training as far as installing and configuring the extension in Zoho. Thanks again for taking a moment to watch this video. I hope this extension for the Zoho CRM will help you and your team continue to get more done in less time with PhoneBurner. Thanks again, and happy dialing.